How to change font in Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's a guide to modifying the in-game font with Roblox. First of all, what I want you to know that you need to launch your favorite web browser and then go to roblox.com and open a new tab. You need to search for font acquisition, utilize a web browser to navigate to a font repository, the font, or a similar platform. Select and download a font that meets your preference. The downloaded file will typically be compressed in a zip archive. Talking about the font organization, which is optional, for improved file management, you can create a dedicated folder on your system. You can extract the font file identified by the TTF extension from the downloaded zip archive into the newly created folder. Go ahead and look for Roblox application installation. Ensure that the Roblox application is installed on your system, and if necessary, download and install the application from the official Roblox website. Locating the Roblox fonts. Now let's move ahead to locating the Roblox fonts directory. When you enter the Roblox player in the Windows search bar, right-click the Roblox player and then search result, and then select Open File Location. Right-click on the Roblox player again with the newly opened folder and then select Open File Location. Navigate to and open the Content folder. Access the Fonts folder. And within the Fonts folder, create a new subfolder named as Old Fonts or a similar descriptive name as you prefer. Now relocate the following font files from the parent Fonts folder into a newly created Old Fonts subfolder. Copy the downloaded font file into the fonts folder and duplicate the copied font file 4 additional times, resulting in a total of 5 copies of your chosen font within the directory. Precisely rename each of the copied font files to match the file names of the original fonts that were moved to the old fonts folder. Assign the following names to 5 copies. And the Roblox application will now render text using the specified font. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can go ahead and change your font in Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.